my gosh. Coupons come in the box. Having a Gua Sha Sculptor is like next level. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Cami. Welcome to this video. If you're not new here, welcome back. If you're new here, please subscribe. There's gonna be a lot of makeup tutorials and the like videos coming from this channel. All right guys, so this video is about my Boxycharm order. I've been subscribed to Boxycharm since I think it was last November 2019. I have never done a video with any of these boxes, you guys, and it is about time. Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. They give makeup, skincare, and sometimes other products every single month for a small fee. They have 3 different levels. $25 is the base box fee, and you get at least 5 products every month. But I have been using my Boxycharm link in the description of my other videos for a few months now. So if you're interested in Boxycharm and you already know what it is, there's a link down below so you can get to it, read about it further, maybe subscribe if you're interested. This month I decided to upgrade to Boxyluxe. I got so many cool things in my Boxyluxe this month. Let's go ahead and see what I got in my Boxycharm. The boxes this month have the Oasis theme. It does have makeup, but it also has a lot of skincare based items. I cannot wait to use this. The first item that I feel like a lot of people will be very familiar with, the KYLIE skincare is in this box. Foaming face wash. And I know a lot of other boxes got this item too. So this says it's packed with vitamins C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. Okay, that all sounds really good. I cannot wait to use this, and this retails for $24. Enjoy $5 off your next KYLIESkin.com order with promo code BOXY5. Yes, that's pretty cool. I like that the Boxycharm boxes have like coupons in them. I haven't tried any of the KYLIE skin products. I do like her makeup though. I'm actually wearing the Kristen lip kit liner. That's the one I'm wearing today. I love that lip kit. The color is just so gorgeous. I hear nothing but good things about the foaming face wash. I hear a lot of good things about the skincare line in general. So I'm very excited to try that out. So another thing I got is the PURLISSE Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. So this also came with a information card. It says it's a complexion perfection for gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. On the Boxycharm website, you can fill out the complexion survey. This is the color Tan D. This retails for $35. So I've had the box for a couple weeks and I did a BB cream wear test. I'm very excited for that video to be coming out later within a week. What else did I get? Alright guys, so this next product is a mask, and this is the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask, and it says it's an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated, sensitive skin. Oh, that's good, it's for sensitive skin, so it's also going to work for our normal skin. This retails for $55. The box is worth this by itself, plus you get everything else. 7 more items, plus this. That is amazing. This is actually in my current giveaway, and I'm gonna link my current giveaway down below. That video has already been out, and it's got a lot of information. So this isn't the only product that's in the giveaway though. There's other makeup items and some other extra items. Check out the giveaway if you are interested. So this next item, you guys, came in this little cute little bag. I just want to use this bag for like jewelry. My apologies to the brand. Is it OSEA or OSEA? It's the, I think it's OSEA Gua Sha Sculptor. I have seen people using these on Instagram, and this is the bring the spa home and mimic the effects of our cult favorite skincare studio treatment product. You take it and you just like sculpt your face. I don't know. Is this real jade? Chisel, lift, and define facial contours with this jade tool. Oh, it's nice. It's real jade. Okay, so this is $32. You guys, I love this box. This is really stuff that I don't take the time to invest in. I buy a lot of makeup. I barely buy skincare. I just don't have many tools, I guess is the word. It's not something I would go and spend like almost $40 on. So the fact that I got it in this Boxyluxe box is pretty awesome. So having a gua sha sculptor is like next level. And it came in my Boxycharm Luxe. So that's pretty exciting. Let me know if you guys have ever used a product like this. All right, so this is the M.GREENGRASS CBD Head to Toe Cream. This unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption, and it's great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe for all skin types. This is $56 by itself. You guys, I have a friend that is interested in these types of products. I cannot wait to gift this to her. That's another really good reason to get the box too, because if you get something and you know that someone you know would like it, I mean, there you go, birthday gift right in your box. What else is in here? Okay, so I'm very excited about this because I feel like a lot of people don't know that Lily Lashes has products other than lashes. Like this is a mascara, and this is the XXX mascara. So this says extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand. This is $24. So I'm excited to have this new mascara. Love that. Okay guys, so this is another product. I don't know where the box went for this because I like opened everything and looked at it, but I also got these Bodyography lip pencils. So the Bodyography lip pencil set, this is Pouty and Rosewood. These are antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick, coconut oil and vitamin E. The lighter one is called Pouty and the darker one is called Rosewood. And this set is $28, or are they $28 each? I guess the set is $28. These feel pretty creamy on my hand. I really like that. I love new lip pencils. So these I'll definitely be keeping and using. The last item in my Boxyluxe, I think I'm gonna be keeping this one because I'm excited to actually use it. This came in my Boxyluxe. This is the Tarte Pro Palette. And let's see, let's read about it. So it says, okay, prepare for an expression explosion. Being passionate about pigment, this sequel to the OG Pro Palette came to play. This rich, vibrant, 20-shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. So this is retailing for $49. You guys, the value of this box is super, super high. I want to tally everything up and tell you what I got for my money because it's such a steal. I think you should just sign up for Boxycharm like right now. If I did my math right, you guys, the value of this box is $303. Did I do that right? Really? Oh my gosh. So I think that if you want to try new products, but you want the full sizes and you want to get them on a discount, then signing up for Boxycharm is also good for that. So my makeup giveaway that is currently going on, I'm going to be linking the link to that video where it describes all of the details and all the rules, and it's going to be down below in the description bar if you're interested in entering that giveaway. There is a bonus question that goes with that giveaway. It's not a requirement, but it's a lot of fun. So the bonus question for this video, just write your answer in the comments down below. Let me know if you want me to try on all of these products or some of these products from this box. Which one would you like to see me do a video on? All right guys, that is it for this whole video. I'm so excited to go ahead and use these products and let you guys know how they are. Stay tuned for the PURLISSE BB Cream wear test. I wore it for 8 hours. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Cami Stevenson, IRL. And also I give updates over there if there's changes to any videos, if there's updates with me, changes to any giveaways. Don't forget to watch those stories. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my very next video. Bye.